What is going on, everybody? We are back here again to go over your weekly maintenance for your X2 printer. First things first, we're going to go ahead and navigate over to your screen, tap that maintenance icon right next to the t-shirt, and hit regular maintenance. Once we confirm that selection, you're going to see a countdown pop up and hear your carriage move to the center of the printer. Next, we simply lift the hood. We're going to grab our cleaning solution that came with the printer, pour some in a cap, then use one of the cleaning swabs to get it saturated. Now the first thing we're going to focus on cleaning is going to be the maintenance station, located on the right hand side of the printer, right above your ink cartridges. We want to make sure the top of all of these white gaskets are clear of any ink debris. Next, we're going to clean the wiper blade. This is a very important piece. This is the piece that's in constant contact with your print heads. Think of it this way. If you got a dirty windshield wiper, you're going to have a dirty windshield. Next up, we're going to clean these mechanisms right here on the side of the wiper blade. Try not to push on those parts and move them around too hard. We just want to clean everything in between them. At any point in time, if your cleaning swab is too gunked up, go ahead and get a new one, saturate them, and tag that guy in. The last piece here on the maintenance station that we're going to clean is this metal rod here located right on the other side of the wiper blade. Next, we're going to clean the bottom of the print heads. To see them properly, you can use your cell phone or a mirror placed right underneath. We're going to take a lint-free wipe, carefully brush the edges to clean off all the ink debris. Try to avoid hitting the mirrored finish at all costs. Now they don't have to be 100% spotless. Just make sure most of the major debris has been removed from the print heads. Once we finished up, go ahead and close the hood of the printer. Tap yes on the screen and allow the carriage to redock. Once it redocks, you can go ahead and run one auto head clean. Alrighty, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Don't forget to shake those whites, and we'll see you in the next one.